Dilys Price and Bella Lasagna are busy preparing for the day's business.
Blooming nuisance, this sunshine. It do show up the dust something awful. I only polished these flowers last week. I know, Mrs. Price. Is it the ozone, you know?
Morning, Mrs. Price.
Oh, I nearly went then.
We're off to Newtown to spend our birthday money.
Dragged up those two. Don't they know it's dangerous to talk to people on ladders?
Ma'am.
Norman Price, if you're having me on again, I'll give you such a swipe round the ear.
One in the pan, sizzle, 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 yeah, yeah, man. Pontypandy pancakes, the best in Wales, toss it in the air.
Just off to give Jupiter an examination, Elvis. She's not sounding too good today.
You'll soon get a flying Sam, like my pancake. Oh.
Ah, there you are, Fireman Sam. Drill in 30 minutes.
Drill today, sir?
Yes, there's a rescue tender coming over from Newtown to demonstrate some new equipment.
Oh, Mum, wake up. I promise I'll eat up all my greens. Oh, my head feels like a cabbage. Well, come on, give me a hand to get up. I'm sorry, honest I am. I don't know who you are, but, there's a nice boy. Don't know who I am? Now then, what's your name? More to the point, what's mine? She's lost her memory. Your name is Signora Bella Lasagna.
Don't sit down, Fireman Sam. The Newtown rescue tender's just arrived. Recognise the feet.
Firefighter Morris reporting for duty, sir.
Good grief. Good morning. But you're a lady, fireman, fire lady.
Morning, Firefighter Morris. I'm Fireman Sam. Problems? Just a few running repairs. Nothing serious.
And I'm Fireman Cridlington at your service. You can call me Elvis.
All right, Elvis. I'm Penny. It sounds a bit rough. What's the trouble?
Well, that's a good question.
Oh, it's the bearings, probably. Always get a few problems with the older models.
Yes, well, that's a possibility.
Try it now.
Well, you can't argue with that.
This is where I live then. Good heavens. I got the coffee. Oh, sole mio. She's going to a lot of trouble, whoever she is. Thank you for looking after the coffee for me. I'm sorry, I don't remember your name. Bella. Well, there's a coincidence. So's mine. Bella, what are you? Lasagna. Order and order. That's my name, too.
Hello, ladies. I don't know, two lovely ladies in the same room. There's a lucky man I am.
Who the heck is that?
What's the matter with Dilys?
I don't know. She think she is me. I think she must see the doctor. She lose the memory.
Aye, well, I tell you what, Bella. I better give her a lift down the hospital. Right. Today's drill. Release of trapped man, person, of course, from the incapacitated vehicle. Right. Get to work.
Batteries disconnected, sir?
Don't you worry now. This'll protect you while we cut the roof off. Big cutter's all set, sir.
Right. Carry on.
Good, Firefighter Morris. That's good equipment, that. Now, let's lift him out. That's it. Gently does it. Yes.
Good work, men. team. Hey, well, it's all due to Penny, sir.
Thank you very much for your valuable contribution, Firefighter Morris. You're an asset to the fire service.
Bye-bye, Elvis. What's up, Norman? We're off to Newtown. Do you want to come?
Okay. Hello, my sugar lumps. Norman, your mum's not feeling quite herself today, so I'm taking her for a checkup.
Oh, there's the little boy who told me who I was when I couldn't remember. Oh, hello, Mrs. Hello.
Oh, well, I never. Now, there's a pretty young lady. She's in a fire tender. Did you see that?
Look out, Mr. Evans. Steady on, happening? Oh, we're going into the ditch.
Hey, don't worry. Oh, hang on. Everybody, hang on.
Oh, my head. Oh. 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 I'll tell you one thing. It's time you learn to drive, Trevor Evans. Trevor Evans? Oh, her memory's coming back.
Now, who needs the fire service? Special service call. Bus in ditch on the Newtown Road. All present and correct, sir. Right, let's go. Right, men, check the passengers.
Oh, help me down from this awful bus, young man.
Now, don't panic, Dill. You'll be all right.
Dill? Dilys? That's me. And I remember you. Fireman Sam. Oh, I remember everything. The ladder and Norman and... Norman? Me, Mum. Mummy's little darling can tell me all about it on the way home. Oh, Mum.
Hello, Sam. I heard the special service call. I wondered if I could be of any help.
Auxiliary Fireman Trevor Evans, meet Firefighter Penny Morris. Hey, but you're the... Oh, well, it's time we had a pretty face round here.
Well, thanks, Trevor. But just think of me as one of the boys.
When he used the fire belt